darkness in your heart.
Today we are in Assila in Morocco. It's a quiet place, but the ocean is not. It's a small town with nice people. I wanted to visit Assila for a long time. Here I am. Reality is nothing like our imagination. I got the same feeling, it's never enough. I wanted more time with Assila, but I'm sure I will be back one day. I have been sick for a couple of weeks now, and I don't know what is it. Flu, corona, or its family. All I know, I'm tired of this. Can I do something about it? Yes, I did. Did it work? No, 100%. Why when we get sick we can notice life? Do we really need this much? Yes, we do. We are fooled by ourselves, stressing out about eternity, when tomorrow it's not ours, today it's not ours too. We own nothing, and I still don't know, and I don't understand why people keep saying, it's my house, it's my car, my business, my company, my, when you don't own your life. You didn't choose when you're born, and you will not choose when you die. Since you don't own your life, you own nothing. And one more thing that makes me laugh at the same time makes me feel sorry for those people, those who work and work and work to buy a brand, an expensive brand, to show people that she or he is owning something expensive like rich people, and act like them around the poor people. If you are one of those, are you doing well? Hey, are you okay? Did the life teach you something or not yet? Hello. Hello.
Darkness in your heart. Trust you more than anyone I have met before. I don't care who you are or who you want to be. I'll be here until the day that you leave me.
For me, being here in Assila is just like a dream coming true. Assila or Assila, whatever what they call it. It's a unique place. It has a long history, and you can see it on the walls. You can see it everywhere. But I keep asking questions. Where are they? All the people before us that lived here. No one remembers. No one cares. If you are alive, live the way you want it. After all, you will die. Nobody will care. And even if they care, they cannot bring your life back to you. They cannot bring you back. And I'm sure if you have a reminder of that, you will live every day like it's the last one. And you will live to the fullest. I'm not telling you here to be crazy. Just be wise. Think about it like a battery that cannot be charged. Once it's over, it's over. It's one shot. Enjoy it or waste it.